Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is September 16th. It is a Friday and also options expiration. So there could be some activity we'll see in the first couple of hours of the day. Very volatile. Usually after the first few hours, options X will calm down and the market usually goes sideways. However, you never know these days. You do have a lot going on around the world. So let's get started here. Let's look at the charts. First, we're starting off with the S&P 500 E-mini futures. You'll see they're trading lower by $6.25 to 1,198. And looks like futures are, coming down a little bit. They've had a big run. Look at the daily chart. We've now had a very good little pop over the past 4 days. So markets have had a pretty good options X week, trading higher for the most part. Today the markets are coming under a little bit of pressure, but I'm not looking really for all that much today. Maybe we'll just have a flat day. Maybe there'll be a little bit of profit take and markets may finish down a little bit. Now, we know whenever the futures are trading lower, the US dollar index is usually trading higher. Let's take a look at the US dollar index here. Just going to move over to 24 hours. You can see the dollar is trading higher on the session. The dollar is up about... Let me move over to the Z contract because there's a new contract rollover. Here you can see the dollar is up about 48 cents at the moment. So good little pop for the US dollar index. When the dollar is up, the markets are lower. It's just that simple. So keep the dollar chart, the US dollar index chart, that is, on your watch list at all time. Okay, you'll see that. Especially when the dollar goes up, you'll notice that commodity stocks will go down. When the dollar goes down, you'll notice that commodity stocks, energy stocks, and pretty much everything in the market will inflate and trade higher. But again, keep that dollar index on your watch list at all time. You should be monitoring the dollar closely. A couple of other things to go over this morning. It looks like the European markets are trading up a little bit. There is a conference going on there in Poland today, and they're going to talk about revealing this TARP-like program across the European Union. So that's what's coming out of there. You also have the U.S. Treasury Secretary Tim Geithner. He is also speaking there, and he's telling them how to fix their problems. He should look over here and see the problems that are in the U.S. But in any case, that's what's going on. You're getting bailouts again all over the place. We'll see how long this lasts. Is this another Band-Aid on the European Union, or is this really a solution that is going to work? But in any case, we'll see. I don't think so. I think it's going to be rough sledding from here, and we'll see how these markets trade. But nonetheless, the futures markets are trading lower a little bit, but the European markets are trading higher a little bit. Last night in the Asian markets, you did have all the Asian markets trading up a little bit. The Shanghai index was only up 3 points. So again, can't make too much out of it. We want to watch the Shanghai closely, as that's the most important index in Asia, in my opinion. Okay, a couple of other things to go over this morning. We're going to take a look at GLD. Spot gold was slammed yesterday. Today, you're getting a little bounce in gold. Spot gold is up about $7. If you take a look at the GLD, it closed at 174.40 yesterday. Today, GLD is trading at 173.90. So down a little bit, but it's been a little bit choppy this morning. SLV trading up a little bit. Yesterday it closed at $38.79. Today it's trading at $39.09. I really can't make too much out of these charts, but the precious metals have come in quite a bit this week. So we got to watch that a little bit. But there'll be good trading vehicles at some point for a bounce, but just not yet. Let's take a look at the USO. USO is trading right now at 34.42. Yesterday it closed at 34.60. So oil just down a hair. Not a big deal there for oil. And we'll see how the market plays out today. But again, remember, when the dollar is stronger, oil will come under pressure. Anything energy related, anything industrial metal related, those usually are the first to react or to deflate when the dollar is stronger. So always remember that. A couple of stocks in the news. We're going to start off with Research in Motion. Research in Motion getting clobbered after earnings. Stock is down to 23. 44. It looks like there's going to be support, short-term support around 21, 21.50. So look for further declines in research and motion. I don't think there's anything really good there. Right now, the stock has been very, very weak. If you look at a daily chart, you'll see that this was the low here. Had a really good bounce from that point. Now we're trading back down towards that area. So you got to look at this thing really going down to around 21, maybe $20.50. There'll be support there. How great of a bounce is it going to be at that point? I have no idea. It looks like a broken stock to me. Okay, let's take a look at Yahoo. Yahoo is in the news. We don't really talk about this one all that much anymore, but it looks like somebody's going to make a bid to take Yahoo private. In any case, Yahoo is trading up a little bit, right around $15.14. You could see yesterday also traded up. So again, that's where we are with Yahoo. Yahoo's still sitting just above this 15 level. The stock looks extended. The 200 moving average on the daily chart is right up here around $15.75. So I really don't know if it has much more left in the tank. But nonetheless, Yahoo is trading above the 15 level, and we have to respect it. Another stock I saw earlier, I don't really track it all that well, is Diamond Foods. Okay, that is getting a pretty good bid. So Diamond Foods is up early. Again, I can't make too much out of it. It looks extended already at this level. I would not do anything with this name. Diamond Foods is up pretty sharply, but I would leave it alone. There wouldn't be a lot I would do with it at this point. Maybe it goes higher, but it's just extended at this point. Okay, that pretty much wraps it up for Friday. It looks like it's going to be a quiet Friday, and we'll see how that plays out. So have a great weekend, everybody. Those on the charts, I'll see you on the microphone at 9:30. Have a great day.